today we're making fish broth, and we have 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of garlic, pound and a half of snapper. So we're going to add all of the seasoning to the fish and the lemon juice and just mix it up. This is what we're gonna use for the broth. We have 2 bandonnier, about 4 green onions with the onion part chopped off. We have 1 medium-sized onion. We have 2 carrots, little bunches of thyme, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 sticks of celery, a hot pepper, like Scotch bonnet pepper, so 2 little sweet peppers, 5 green bananas, 2 potatoes, and 1 cup of macaroni. Okay, so we have 8 cups of water on the stove that is boiling, and we're gonna start chopping everything up. We have the onion, the garlic, the carrots, the green onions, bandonnier, and celery, and thyme. We have everything cut up except potatoes and the bananas, and we're just gonna leave this like this. So we're gonna add all of the veggies to this pot of hot water.
Watch. You cut here,
Mm-hmm.
and you cut here. That's it. Now you see where this is here?
Yeah.
You're going to cut it right here. See this line here? You cut it straight down.
Alright, this line. I'm gonna cut that.
Alright, go ahead. Cut it here. Good. Right. Now you hold it in.
Alright, it only has a little bit of green. Cut it in quarters.
Okay.
Okay, so the water is boiling. We're gonna add this to the pot with the vegetables. Alright, we're gonna add the fish. Okay, so we're gonna leave it there to boil for 15 minutes, and then we'll add macaroni. We're gonna add a cup of macaroni. We're gonna boil it for another 10 minutes. So the macaroni has been boiling in here for 15 minutes. We're gonna see if the potatoes are done. The potatoes are soft. Another one. Potatoes are soft, so it's ready. I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of ketchup. So we have 2 tablespoons of golden ray butter here. We're gonna add that. Hot. It tastes good. You can taste the banana even in the broth.